Is the front door of your dryer cracked or damaged? This is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the outer door panel on your dryer. These instructions apply to dryers made by Whirlpool, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new outer door panel, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The outer door panel provides a protective and aesthetic cover for the front of the dryer, and there are plastic mounting studs on the back side of the panel that connect to the inner door panel. If any part of the outer door panel is cracked or damaged, it should be replaced. To access the outer door panel, first we'll need to open the dryer's door. Then, remove these 4 screws using a T20 Torx bit. Lift to remove the door from the dryer. Next, set the door on a soft surface to avoid scratching or damaging it. To separate the door panels, remove these 13 Phillips head screws. Do not remove any of the Torx head screws, as they hold other components like the glass, the hinge, and the spring catch in place. Next, lift on the inner door panel to separate it from the outer door panel. Gently pull on the handle assembly to free it from the outer door panel. If you need to purchase a new outer door panel, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. To install, align this groove on the handle assembly to the outer door panel. Then, push it into place. To align the door panels, insert the side with the hinge assembly first and work your way around the panels to make sure that the inner door panel is sitting on the inside of the outer door panel. Then, press down on the door catch cover to snap the 2 panels together. Install the 13 Phillips head screws to secure the door together. We suggest doing this by hand to avoid damaging or breaking the plastic mounts and threads. Align the retainers on the door hinge to these slots on the front panel. Then, install the 4 T20 screws to secure the door to the dryer. Close the door and make sure that it is working properly. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. For more videos like this, please consider subscribing.